Hi, favorite second graders. I thought that I would go ahead and show your families how we play the Count Bias game. So Hayden and McKenna are here and they're going to help me. You want to say hi, guys?
Hi.
So they're going to go ahead and help me. So we're going to get started. I just have a clean sock. You can do this with anything. It's clean though, I promise. And we're just going to go ahead and ball it up and we're going to do the Count Bias game. 5,
10,
15,
20,
25,
30,
35,
40,
45,
50.
55. Okay, now we're going to mix it up. It doesn't always have to come back to the person who started the game. So, did you say 50?
Yes.
Okay, 55,
60, 65. Wait, yeah, 65.
70.
75. 80.
Did you say 8 or 80?
80.
Oh, 80. Cool. 85.
95, 100.
Yay, we did it. Have fun.